YouTube? This is I Need Base. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Today is 82 degrees. I'm super happy. We are back at it. My ear looks funny in this hat. But I'm so happy. I don't have to wear freaking hoodies. And it's like, God, man, I hate freaking coming out here doing bench testing in a freaking cold weather. With that being said, guys, I have a 12-inch Lanzar subwoofer. I said I wasn't going to do it. I'm going to end up doing it. So, for some reason, I'm like, I'm not into 12s, but I know a lot of people do choose 12s over 10s and over 15s, and that's basically how everyone is. So I need to start being more open-minded to my subscribers, my viewers. So let's get into it. All right, we're gonna start off by opening this box up. It's actually a really nice box they put it in, guys. I've actually had two 15 Lanzars before, and I'm telling you, they did a really good job, man. Like, it was freaking dope. So I'm kind of curious about how this is. And it's a Lanzar Max. And of course, you know, I'm gonna put the link in the description for you guys. I know how everybody wants to check some stuff out. This thing is in this box, dude. I'm gonna have to like tear this box apart just to get to it. There we go. And it's not too heavy. It's not heavy at all. So that's right there. Yes, sir. Wakanda forever. Get some. Where's the ends of this shit? Sorry if this camera starts shaking. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. It's plastic. Wow. It's actually really pretty sub. This is a single voice cord. Huh. Look at that, guys. It is definitely something that's really worth looking into. This thing is nice. Budget subwoofers, dudes. It also comes with a template. So yeah, definitely, this is what this is. It's a Lanzar Max 12. So if you guys are actually on Amazon and you're looking into all this stuff, you know, this would be definitely something that you can look into. So yeah, we are looking at a power. The max power is 1,000 watts. Honestly, I'm trying to figure out what is the RMS. Not too for sure at this point. Yep, it doesn't really say. Maybe I can find it later and actually put it into the video. That's what we'll do. Alright, let's get to hooking this thing up, guys. Alright, so if these are not push connections, it's a twister connection. So let's see. Let's throw that down in there. Which I used to always run these for some reason, man. I used to actually love them. But when they came out with the push connections, man, it made life easier. Way easier. We got her hooked up. Get my trusty dusty pad. Alright, let's get into some bench testing, guys. Let's try to find me a track. out the gate. This is sitting at 31 hertz. It's definitely moving, guys. It's not really a bad looking basket. Alright guys, so we're gonna get into 40 hertz, see how good it handles. Turn this bass knob up. Oh my god. Shit. Man, it loves 40 hertz. That's for sure. Like I said, man, I've always had Lanzar for, I don't know, I probably had my Lanzars for maybe over 10 years. And the only thing that was really upsetting is that the dust caps just kept coming flying straight off every time. But I've never blown them. I've never had a problem with Lanzars, not once. But look at this bitch. It's moving like crazy, dude. Alright, after just playing around with it, I'm extremely in love with this subwoofer. Like, it's performing so well. And here periodically, I know that free air is not... Guys, I will go ahead and say it. I know free air is not really good for your subwoofers. But normally tilting it, so, you know... This can breathe a little bit back here, and then you just don't have to worry about it. So, but like I said, free air is something that no one has time to say, I'm just going to throw everything into a box and then show you. We want to show you real quick how this performs. And later on, if any one of you said, hey Josh, can you put it inside of a box? I definitely want to see how it performs and how loud it gets in the box. Let me know in the comments and I'll do it. But right now, guys, we're going to do the extreme low bass test at 25 hertz. The subwoofer killer So, wish me luck. Like I said, I really love this sub. I don't want to blow it, but here it goes. I'm gonna start it out gentle because you know this shit's crazy. All right, we halfway on the bass knob. Full tilt. Yo, I tell you what, man. That Lanzar kicked ass. That Lanzar did kick ass. You know, like I said, I've always owned a Lanzar, and like I said, that was before my power acoustics. You know, I know how much I praise my power acoustics, but these Lanzars, man, I know they're low budget, and a lot of people is kind of like, I don't want a Lanzar. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I never had not one problem with it, and they all do really good. So, guys, if you want a budget subwoofer, I would definitely go for that because this one is actually hammering down, guys. Like, I fully sent this shit. I don't smell anything. Nothing's burning up. It's cheap, and it hits hard. So, definitely, if you guys are into it, give me that like, subscribe, do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? So we have more of these videos coming up. I really do enjoy doing these videos with you guys because it's kind of like, you know, I like to help others out. So here it is. So with that, guys, with that being said, this is I Need Bass signing out. Peace.
Let's get it on.